Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5. Welcome back, YouTubers, to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Tic-tac-toe, give me X, give me 3 in a row.
That was awesome, Joseph, because today's theme, sticking with the Lowe's Build and Grow, is a game box. Rather than playing with X's and O's, we are playing with squares and circles, but the concept is the same. Shall we dig in?
Yeah!
Woo! Let's open her up. So we've got our blue pieces, which are squares. You're going to pick the blue team. Once we build, Joseph and I will get a game on. Joseph, I don't think has been beaten before.
No way. Oh, is that?
So we could do both tic-tac-toe, or they also provide us a different board for checkers. So we've got a checkers pop out, and we also have got checkers kings. So when we get kinged, we could throw the king set on there. Let me grab the bag of nails and the instructions, and we'll get going.
Daddy.
Grab your glasses and your hammer.
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 Okay. We open up these guys. These get the garbage out of here.
Let the garbage out of here.
Get it out. All right, here we go. Fun fact, Joseph. I was reading the instruction. Lowe's gives us some fun facts to learn about all the building grows we do. Tic-tac-toe is known by all sorts of different names. In Britain, it is known as noughts and crosses. And in Ireland, they call it box and oxen, or XAOs.
Okay.
Well, we're going to call it tic-tac-toe. All right, let's get our instructions here. And let's clear everything that could shake off the table.
Table.
And we got these two here. Give me the blues. I'll give them right back in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And we need to get our big piece. This one's 1. And we need to get our smaller pieces. Let me see. This one has 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Interesting. Oh. There is a 1. Okay, we only needed the 1.
There is a 1.
We only needed the 1. Okay. Top and bottom, top and bottom. These are coming through, top and bottom. Alright. Alright. We go. Sit. We got sit. Alright. You got your hammer. Let's punch these in. 1. Let's see how well Joseph could focus on hitting this hammer. And we'll hit some firepower to come. Alright, first side. Easy.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, bang, 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 bang.
I like that. It's like hitting the turbo button in a car. Boom! Wow. Alright, let's do that other side now. That's the single piece. And the thread is down. Okay. The thread is down.
Boom.
2 more nails. We got 2 more nails to be destroyed by Joseph, the destroyer. Right, here we go. I'll hold it this way. Go ahead, Joseph.
Bang, 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 bang. Boom, 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 boom.
Turbo speed. That is pretty cool. Okay. No, you did great. Now we're going to do the next.
Daddy, I think it's a little wrong because there's a line, but there's not another line.
Trust your fathers. Trust in me, son. We're going to take this build home. Alright, ready? Here we go. Let me get these in a little bit. Here we go. They're coming through. Ooh! Ooh! Mm! Alright. Now we're going to complete the box with 4 more nails. And I don't think Joseph has any worries about getting these in quickly. Ready? And let me switch it.
That was boom, bang, fire power.
That was like machine gun nailing. That's incredible. We're just going to tack everything in nice and firm with the daddy hammer. Excellent. Now, this is the front. That is the back. Can you do me a favor?
What?
Give it a slide.
Yes.
Give it a slide right in. Oh, that's checkers. Flip it around. We're going to do tic-tac-toe.
Checkers.
Well, then we got to pop out all the checkers. Let's do a tic-tac-toe game. So what's cool about the game board is one side that you slide in, you could play your checkers game with, and then if you flip it around, you've got the Lowe's logo.
Tic-tac-toe.
That's right. All right. Game 1. Are you red circles or blue squares?
Blue square.
Blue.
I'm winning.
Blue for you. All right.
Boom, bang.
I have a feeling you're going in the center. I've known your strategy for many years, young Padawan.
Yes.
So Joseph goes center blue. Where do I go? Where do I go? Right on top. No, you can't do that, right? That's an illegal move.
No, you can do that.
I can?
Yeah.
That's how it works? No, I don't think so. I'm going down low. First one to get 3 in a row. Go! Uh-oh. Top right. I didn't see that coming because
I don't have a plan.
it's already blocked. Oh, you have a plan? Alright, so Daddy's going to
I
go
have a plan.
middle left.
To beat you right here.
Oh, he threw the double down. That's prison rules right there. 1-0 Joseph on a technicality.
I get the first win.
You got the first. Do your wind dance. What's your wind dance look like? Let me see a floss. Oh, standing up. Okay, hit him with the floss. Thanks guys for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the Build and Grow game board. We're going to keep playing tic-tac-toe. Maybe this time playing with tournament rules.
And playing with checkers.
And checkers. Check by next time. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.